everybody, thanks for tuning in to the channel. In a couple seconds, I'm going to jump right into the video that shows the installation of these handguards on my 2021 KTM Duke 890. And I just wanted to make a couple points now that I've actually had them on the bike for about 1,000 kilometers. They are great to protect your hands from the wind, from bugs, and also in the rain. When it's raining, it does keep a lot of the water off your hands, so they're great for that. But because they are made of a softer plastic, they are not going to be much protection to your bike and or hands if you decide you want to go off-roading and you actually drop your bike. So if you're considering getting these, because they look awesome, in my opinion they do, and because they're going to protect your hands from some of the elements, they are a great option. Hey everybody, Carl here with Pave Chaser in the Pave Chaser Garage, and today we are doing another video and we're building out this monster Duke. This is like the apocalypse Duke. Like if there's a zombie apocalypse, this is the Duke you're going to want to have. I've been gearing this thing out for a major trip all the way to the Arctic Circle from the Atlantic Ocean in Canada. I've been adding a bunch of stuff to this. If you haven't been following along, definitely check out some of the other videos. Amongst not commonly added parts to this bike I've added is an engine guard. I've got a skid plate down there. And today I'm going to add hand guards. I had to order these in from overseas. These are by a company called Puig. In fact, that's who manufactures this windscreen, which I really like, and I did a video. Check it out if you want to know more about that. You know, one of the things I like about Puig is, like, look at the box that it comes in. Like, it's a solid black box with foil silver writing on it. It it oozes class even before you get into the product. So this is going to be a super simple video, and I want to know what you guys think. Does this make this bike look dope or nope? So I'm going to bring this up for a close-up just so you can get an idea of what this is. It comes pre-assembled. We've got right here, we've got a little screw holding in a bracket, and you've got two more screws here holding in a bracket. You can adjust these. Puig has these little caps that can come off, come on. All we're really going to do is remove one bolt holding your brake lever here and remove the end piece that's going to be in your handlebars. Now keep in mind, I have a modified rear view mirror system on here, so I have a little bit different of a connection than you might have, but it's basically removing this out, putting it in. Each one of these comes with a metal washer and two rubber ones. They sent instructions, they're all in Spanish. I'm not going to use them because this is a super easy job. So for my install, I basically need a T5 Allen key and a 10mm ratchet. I'm going to remove my mirror, which is basically just a matter of removing this Allen key. Now we've got two rubber washers, one metal washer. We are going to put the rubber on each side of the plastic handguard. The metal one is going to go on the inside. And I'm going to slide that in here. And just for holding it purposes, we're going to make sure that's put in. We're going to tighten this up just a little bit to build up a little bit of torque on it, that's all, to cause it to catch before there. We're going to take our 10 mil, we're going to come under here, loosen the bolt. It's holding our lever. Slide this bracket on there. Replace said bolt. When you're installing these, you want the bolts that are holding the brackets to be pointing down if you're kind of figuring out which side's which. And this now is adjustable up and down just because it can flex a little bit because of the material it's made out of. Okay, so the other side here. The only difference between this one versus the other side is the little bolt that's holding the clutch lever in here. We're going to remove that bolt, and they sent a longer one. We're going to replace this bolt here, and then we'll use the nut that we took off here to attach this just for spacing purposes. All right, guys, that is it. I got a whole bunch more videos coming. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.